Today we have a 2005 Citizen M-16 Type 3. Machine comes with a CAV 16M magazine bar feed, Cool Blaster high pressure coolant. We're going to run it. First we're doing the main. That's 1,000 RPM. 3,000. 5,000 RPM. Full C axis on the main. Above the spindle, the live tools. 1,000 RPM. 3,000. Do the sub spindle now. That's the C axis. Full C axis on the sub as well. 1,000 RPM. 3,000. That's 5,000. Do the turret now. That's the live tool. 1,000 RPM. 3,000 RPM. Turret index. Okay, this machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.